Okay, hey everyone, welcome to Ableton 2, where we're going to focus on all things recording with Ableton. Now, in this class, we are going to be focusing on primarily two different kinds of recording we can do. We can record audio and we can record MIDI. And that requires a bit of an explanation on what MIDI is, which I think we'll be able to spend a lot of time on in this class. MIDI is like using synthesizers, using anything like that. In this overview video, I'm not going to go into a great amount of detail. We'll get to it as it comes. We've got plenty of time in this class, but MIDI means we're going to play a synthesizer in Ableton. So we're going to be recording it, but MIDI works a little bit different than audio. Actually, I take that back. It works a lot different than audio. So it's quite a bit different. The main thing that most people think about when they hear recording is recording audio, like in the same way that I'm recording my voice right now. I'm talking into a microphone, it's being processed by another piece of gear, and that's going into my computer, which is then writing it as digital information. So I could record straight into Ableton. In this case, I'm recording into a different program, which is also capturing my screen and everything. But I'm going to walk you through how to do some recording, some audio recording, some tips and tricks, and also how to do it in arrangement view and session view. So you saw this perhaps in the first Ableton course that I did, the Ableton 1 course, and I'll do it in a little bit more detail here. So that was just kind of an overview, but here we're going to really be talking about recording, and then we'll go into recording MIDI as well, and possibly some fun ways you can combine the two to do some interesting and wild stuff with making a sampler out of your own voice and things like that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the basic needs of your recording setup. There's some hardware things you're going to want to have if you don't already, and these things are good to have, but not always required when you're recording. But we'll talk about that in the next video, so let's just get right to it. Let's start with our hardware needs in the next video.